Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to download Valorant on PC. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So in order to download and play Valorant, it's a free-to-play game. What you're going to want to do is open up a new internet browser and come across to the official website, which is just playvalorant.com. Now once you come across to the website, you're going to see in the top right-hand corner a Play Now button. So what you want to do is give that a click. Then it's going to ask you to either sign in with a Riot account or create one if you don't have one already. So in this example, I've got a Riot account. So what I'm going to do is click Sign In and then proceed to sign in with my Riot account. Once you've signed in, you'll be taken to a screen where it's going to ask you to choose your platform that you want to play Valorant on. Of course, because this is for PC, we're going to go ahead and select PC. What that's going to do is take you to the download page, and all you want to do on here is click onto the red download button. So what that's going to do is start downloading the installer onto your PC. This should only take a minute or two, depending on your internet connection. But once that's finished, what's going to happen is you'll have the Valorant installer on your PC. So you just want to click onto this to open it up. Here we are back on my desktop. I've just opened up the installer, and as you can see, there's a red install button. So this is going to install it onto your hard drive. If you are using an external hard drive, come down and click onto Advanced Options. Then what you can do is change the install path and select your external hard drive from here. In this example, I'm just going to install this directly onto my PC. So we're going to click Install. As you can see, it's going to start installing and take a minute or two. Once the installer has finished, you'll be taken to a screen where you can go ahead and sign in with your Riot Games account. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to this screen where you can go ahead and click the red Install button to install Valorant onto your PC. Just like so, Valorant is going to start downloading and installing onto this PC. Once this is finished installing, you can come back to this screen, and the red button here will now say Play. So you can then go ahead and play Valorant. So that's basically how you can download Valorant on PC. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.